wait till the prop actually stops before you hit
kill the magnetos.
Right.
Okay.
And things like that. So yeah, very good.
All right.
And now
Hobbs tack time.
Okay, and we're going to get our little booklet out here. Time you can open your door.
Yeah. Yeah, it gets warm here quick.
Yeah, it does these days. You can imagine what it was like when it was 100. Okay, the tack time, read that number there to me.
1102.5.
Okay, and the okay, and then this is the Hobbs. It's 1383.7. 7. So we flew 0.8, which is about right. Pretty much what we could do on a typical. Like I said, that's more. You got to see the pattern a couple times, and you got to see moving around up finding the center. Okay, so we've loaded that up. Got that done.
Master off.
Okay, now you can hit the master off.
Standby battery off.
Right, and that goes to the neutral position.
Right.
Okay.
Fuel left or right?
So this was left. Yeah, I didn't get the lights, so get your lights. I missed that up. There's a navigation light.
Okay. Control lock.
Yeah, control lock should be in that little pocket there. Just how does it go? See the hole? See the hole there? There you go. There you go. And you push it all the way down in there. There you go. All right. We'll just get everybody out of here and be a little bit more comfortable with some different things. Pretty much got everything.
5-ounce PIOT cover.
Yeah. Peter, there's a PIOT cover in that hole right there. And then you can grab your keys. I always tell them to stick them right on there so you kind of know where they are.
Okay.
And go from there. You let your lovely wife out so she can get some fresh air. I'm sure it's hotter
back
back
on you
there.
just a little bit, huh?
Go ahead.
Because I can't get my big self out of here with the seat up.
You can slide that right all the way out here.
How was it?
Oh, it was awesome. That was absolutely awesome.